Today we're making a microwave Turkish mushroom menemen, perfect for Easter brunch. It takes about 15 minutes and serves two. Let's get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of sliced cremini mushrooms. They're the star and add savory depth. 1 small onion, finely chopped, for sweetness and aroma. 1 small green bell pepper, diced, for freshness and gentle heat. 1 medium tomato, seeded and chopped, to make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil to cook and add richness. 1/2 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, also called pull biber, for gentle warmth. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin for earthiness. 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance flavors. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a soft kick. 4 large eggs. They make the menemen creamy. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for a bright finish. 1 ounce of crumbled feta for salty creaminess. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Clean and slice 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms into even slices so they cook evenly in the microwave. Finely chop 1 small onion and dice 1 small green bell pepper. Seed and chop 1 medium tomato. Chop 2 tablespoons of parsley and crumble 1 ounce of feta. In a microwave-safe dish, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the chopped onion, and the green bell pepper. Cover and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Stir. Then add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Cover and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Stir. Then microwave 2 minutes more. Add the chopped tomato, 1/2 teaspoon Aleppo pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Stir well to combine. Cover and microwave on high for 3 minutes until the vegetables are soft and saucy. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl and whisk just to blend, without adding too much air. Pour the eggs over the vegetables and gently stir to create marbled curds. Cover and microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds, then stir to form soft curds. Microwave, covered, for another 30 to 60 seconds until the eggs are just set and creamy. Do not overcook. Sprinkle 1 ounce of crumbled feta and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley over the top. Cover and rest for 1 minute to soften the cheese. Stir once, taste, and adjust salt or black pepper if needed, keeping the texture soft and moist. Spoon the menemen into serving dishes and tidy the edges for a clean, inviting look. Serve immediately as a Turkish-inspired Easter brunch centerpiece. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Easter menemen, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a quick recipe.